So in this video, we'll see how we can add variation images in bulk in WooCommerce. Like we have seen that we can each simply upload file and add simple images. What about variation image? How the sheet of variation image works? You can just download the sample sheet by from WooCommerce here, import, download this app, and in WooCommerce plugin, you will get the sample sheet. That's here. You can see when you go on down here, when you go on sample data, here we will get sample fit. So now I have already told you how you can easily add sim all the fields and water compulsively and how to upload products in bulk on WooCommerce. Now in this video we'll see how we can add variable products in bulk. If you haven't seen the previous video, I've added a link in description. Also, you can see on top. Uh, Click on it and see it. Now to add variation image, first step here. The main important part for variation image is SKU. Upon SKU, everything works. I will remove all other data from here and keep the variation image only. Okay. Add variation image. First step will be your main product ID. Then type will be variable and SKU. Okay. Now everything will be same as previous. Name, publish is important. Description, short description, everything will be same. Images, everything. Okay. Now in variation image, you can upload only single images. That keep that in mind. Okay. Now this is variable images. Now to add its variation, what we need to do, we need to go to attribute, and here we need to add attribute. Like I have create variation of colors. I will add attribute color and its name, like attribute value. Blue, green, red, and attribute one visible, one true. One means true. Attribute one global one. Now, if you want to create five attribute, you can create it. For now, we don't want to create five variation. We will leave it. We will create only color variation to blue, green, red. Now, to create variation of it, first here I have created ID. Then the type will be variation. And here you can see SKU is same but added red. Similarly, I have created red, green, blue. Now, important thing is here how we know if this product is of what variation. You just need to add one thing. I will show you here. Here, go to parents column. Here in parents column, here you can see you need to add the SKU of this one variable. SKU, copy it, and you need to add it in parent column. Very simple, very parent here. Here you can see whichever is parent that will belong. The variation in variation you need to add parent SKU. Just add the SKU here. Simply nothing much, and image same way as you can upload. But just you need to add the SKU here in parent. Then it will be combined as a variation. And here in attribute you need to get red, green, and blue. Nothing much more. Color, attribute, and attribute name you need to give red, green. Just leave it. Okay. I don't want to create fetch variation as of now. I will save it because it's a CSV file. Always keep in mind if your Excel is not in CSV file, to by saving, you need to convert it in CSV. Like here, you can see CSV comma dot. You need to select. Now I will upload it and show you if variation is working. Go here, click on product. Here we will click on import. Import choose file. Simple. Continue. Nothing much. Everything will be matched. You need to match it. Yeah. One product and three variation is imported. I will view the product. This is my product. V-neck t-shirt. Here you can see blue, green, red, large, medium, small. Three variation has been created. one more thing as you get confused. Like we have created only three variation here, but here you can see in attribute we have added and now. So we for sizes we don't need to create a new variation. Sizes are within it. Here when I click on